If you are deciding between the expensive Tesla OEM interior matte liners and aftermarket options, this is how the Superliner Tesla Model Y floor mats actually hold up after 6 months and 8,000 miles of real-world use. Today, I'm breaking down the long-term durability and showing you exactly how easy these Tesla Model Y Juniper accessories are to clean so you can decide if they are worth buying for your Tesla. The links to these Superliner mats are in the description box below, along with a link to my full install review video if you want to see the exact out-of-the-box fitment. Keep in mind that Superliner carries these exact same floor mats for different Model Y and Model 3 trims. If you do click through to grab a set, just make sure you select the exact vehicle model, year, and seating configuration from their menu to ensure that you get the right application for your car. Let's talk about the long-term fitment of these injection molded TPE material. These mats have been through a full salt winter, a dusty spring, and now we're heading straight into summer. After thousands of miles and massive temperature swings, the fitment is still absolutely perfect. There is zero rolling on the edges and absolutely no warping. The textured backing keeps them completely locked into place without any factory anchor points, meaning they do not slide around or bunch up under the pedals. Heading into the hotter months, I can also confirm there's absolutely zero plastic odor or toxic off-gassing in the cabin. More importantly, looking closer at the driver's mat where my foot rests daily, there's absolutely zero heel wear or degradation in the material. When it comes to how to clean Tesla floor mats, the routine is incredibly straightforward. For regular day-to-day maintenance, you don't need a crazy setup. I just use a basic all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel. Because this is a minimalist, logo-free design, there are no deep crevices to trap mud or winter road salt. A quick spray and a wipe gets them completely back to baseline. If they do get heavily dirty from a rough weekend, the process is just as simple. You just take them out, hose them down with a basic garden hose, dry them off, and throw them right back in. A quick pass and they look exactly like they did the day I unboxed them 6 months ago. If you picked up a 2026 Model Y Juniper and you want a clean, minimalist interior look that holds up mile after mile, these absolutely do the job. They give you the easiest cleanup possible so you can spend less time on maintenance and more time driving the car. Check out the links in the description below to find the current pricing and grab a set for your own Tesla. If you want more real-world reviews on how these EV accessories actually hold up over time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about how these mats perform. I'll see you on the next video.